Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove limits on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open Instagram app and log into your account and tap on your profile to the right bottom corner and tap on this three line icon to the right hand corner. Tap on settings and tap on privacy, and here you'll find limits, so click on that. If you feel like you are being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. They will be hidden unless you approve them. So to turn off limits, you can tap on turn off, and to turn on, you can tap on turn on. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.